आज हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं एक काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करेंगे। ठीक है, पढ़ने क्या जा रहे हैं हम लोग? आज पढ़ने जा रहे हैं डिफरेंस बिटवीन a प्लस प्लस एंड प्लस प्लस a। बेसिकली a प्लस प्लस एंड प्लस प्लस a is a unary increment operator, right? Unary increment operator, a plus plus and plus plus a. So before we understand this topic, let us take a code. The code is int a is equal to 10, and we just increase a by 1. Means what? We just increase the value of a by 1. Means if we write a is equal to a plus 1, what is the meaning of this code? Let us understand this. Means a is equal to a plus 1 means the value of a is 10 plus 1, then the value of a becomes 11, right? Means we increase the value of a by 1. Is it correct? Definitely it is correct. So we can write this code in such a different way also, right? But before we write down this code in such a different way, we are going to our coding environment where we will run this code and watch what will happen. So let's go. So it is our run environment where we will run this code and just observe the result, right? So let's start. So we can see it's 11, right? I write the code a is equal to a plus 1. This means what? The value of a will increase by 1. That means the value of a at first it was 10, but after increment it will become 11, right? So now we will come to our main topic. How can we write this code in different way? So we can write this code in different way, like we can write it a plus plus. What is the meaning of this a plus plus? The a plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1. It is the same as a plus plus. Means the two codes are same, a plus plus or a is equal to a plus 1, right? That means this code will definitely gives the same result. That means the result should be 11, right? Let us take an example. So here is the code. We will write this a is equal to a plus 1, a plus plus, and after that we will run this code. Yes, it is 11, means both the codes are same, right? A is equal to a plus 1, we can write instead of that statement we can write a plus plus. But what about plus plus a? Is it same? Let us take an example again. We will write plus plus a instead of a plus plus, and after that we will run it and observe the result. So plus plus a, we will write instead of this, so a plus plus, instead of that we will write a plus plus a. Let us take a look. Yes, both the codes is definitely same. According to you, both the codes are definitely the same, but there is a basic fundamental difference between a plus plus and plus plus a. So what is the basic and fundamental difference between these two statements? Let us take another code. suppose we write int a is equal to 10, and we take another variable int type, integer type c is equals to a plus plus. What we write? A plus plus, and after that we will just print this c on screen. Okay, so we will do the same thing in our code environment. We will write the same thing in our coding environment. So int c is equals to a plus plus. After that we will print the variable c. Let's take a look. It is 10. How can it be possible? How can it be possible? It is 10. Okay, what is going wrong? No, nothing is going wrong. Everything is right. Just understand what is happening here. Okay, this code is wrong according to you, but according to me this is right. But I will explain it how it is right or how it is wrong. So we will again write plus plus a. A plus plus is wrong according to you, but now we will write a plus plus a. What will happen? Let's look. Plus plus a. Now run. Is it 11? Yes, it is 11. Then there is a difference, right? There is definitely a difference, a major difference between plus plus a and a plus plus, so that the results are different, right? Okay, let's see what is the difference between these two different operators. First of all, we will understand what is the difference. So first of all, we will understand a plus plus. First of all, we will understand a plus plus. What is a plus plus? What is the meaning of the statement? So when we write int a is equal to 10, then a memory space is created in Java, right? A memory space is created, name a, and a memory space where we store a value 10, right? Okay, fine. After that we create another variable c where we are trying to store a plus plus. Means what? Look, first the a is there. Means what? The value of a will come to there. Means the value of a is what? 10. 10 will go there. 10 will go there. Means first the value of a comes here and store in c. Store in c. After that the value of a get increased. Plus plus is there, but first a is here. After that plus plus is there. So what is the meaning of this? First of all, the value of a will place here a and will store in variable c. After storing the value of a in variable c, it will store in variable c. After that, the variable a will get increased by 1. Means the value of a will become 11. It will become, ये तो गया है. That means at first it was, the value of a was 10, but after increment the value of a become 11. That is why when we are trying to print the value of c on the screen, we get result 10, right? But what if we print both? Means what? We print both. Both means c as well as a. C plus double quote, so that we can get difference between two variables value. double space plus A. If we do this, then what will happen? Let's have a look. C plus double quote, get a space between them, plus A. Now it is 11 and 11. Okay, here is plus plus A, but our programming code was A plus plus, right? It was A plus plus. You can see here, it was A plus plus. So the code becomes now 10 and 11. Means what? Means what? Simple. The value of C is 10 and value of A is 11 according to this code, as I make you understand. After that, now we will understand what is this code plus plus A. What is this code plus plus A? So here we will print another variable C is equal to plus plus A, and after that we will print the value C. Then what is this meaning? What is the meaning of this code? Right, first of all we have to understand this. So when we create a memory having a name A, then the value 10 is stored in this variable, right? After that, what is the code? C is equal to A plus plus A. Means what? First of all, this value will increase and put in the place of plus plus. Means first the value will get increase, not first will it use. First of all, it will get increase, right? After that, first it will get increase. After that, it will store in A. Means when it increase to 11, this 11 gets stored in C. That means in variable C, 11 is get stored, and in the variable A also the value A is stored. But in that case, the value of A, at first it was 10. When this code get execute, then C is equal to A plus plus. This code when execute, then the value of 10 will place in A, and then the value of A will get increased and it will become 11. Means variable C will have 10 and variable A will have 11. But in that case, value 11 will store in variable C as well as variable A. Why? Because plus plus is placed in first position. So when this code will get executed, then first of all the value of A will increase and store in C. After that it will store in A as well. Means the value of A 10 will get increased and it will store in variable A. So this is the fundamental difference between these two codes. So let's have a look. Plus plus A. Now it will print 11 and 11. In C it will store 11, and as well as in A it will store 11. So here is the basic and fundamental difference between A plus plus and plus plus A. Let's take an example. Okay. Suppose we have a variable. We have a variable integer type A is equal to 10, and we have also a variable int C is equal to A plus 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 a, and after that we will just print system.out.println the variable c it will print. So what will be the result of this output of this code? Means simply what? Have a look. Variable a, that means a memory will created that is name a, and it will store a value 10. After that, when this code will get executed, int c is equal to, that means we have another variable, that is c. In that, first of all, the value of a is called. That means first of all the value of a, that is 10 will place, right? After that what is happening? After that plus plus is getting executed. Means what? The value of a will become 11. The value of a will become 11, right? So this part is completed. Now plus, so plus is here. Again there is a plus plus. Means what? First this value will get increased. Means what? The value is not now 10, it is now 11. So first of all it will become 12, 11 will become 12, and then it will use, that means we will use 12, and these two code will give the result 22, right? So have a look. C is equal to, what is our code? A plus plus and plus plus a. A plus plus and plus a. So what we will get? 22. Yes, it is. All right. Now I think you get understand what is the a plus plus and plus plus a operator is. What happened if we will print both the statements? What happened if we will print both the statement? Means what? The value of c becomes 22, right? It will store in variable c. But what happened to the variable a? It will become now 12. So if we print both the statements, means c as well as a. So 22 and 12, right? In variable c there is 22, in variable a there is 12. So students, I think you can understand what is the difference between a plus plus and plus plus a. So for this video it is enough. We will come with our next video with a new content. Till then, take care and bye.